All right, so we've got distilled vinegar. It's at about 150 degrees with an instant read thermometer. Now we're gonna add in about half a lemon sliced. And then we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes more, and then when the peels start to soften, we're gonna move on with adding the rest of our ingredients. All right, so the lemon's starting to wilt. Now we're gonna add, I guess, some heat. So we got some brown black pepper. We've got some cayenne pepper. Oh, God! And we've got some red pepper flakes. Oh, the fumes are hot. And then we've got sugar. Oh, I feel like I just got pepper sprayed.
To feel a little bit better now.
All right, now we're gonna stir that up. And then once the sauce hits 190 degrees Fahrenheit, we're gonna take it off the heat and let it cool completely. All right, we're fully cool now, and it's time to kind of get this guy ready. So we want to get the lemon pieces out of this, so I'm just gonna have to kind of fire those out as we go. It smells very sweet and tart, and I'm very excited to actually give this a try. I've heard a lot about like the Carolinas and the vinegar sauces. Okay, so we got just a piece of just plain cooked chicken. I'm gonna try some of this vinegar sauce, Rodney sauce. Right away, the not sweet, not sour, but like kind of both. The pepper hits your palate like right away, but it's not overpowering. So it's like, and it's starting to cool off now. So I can definitely see the appeal of this, especially with like pork or white meat. The vinegar and the sugar just elevate it, and the black pepper, which I didn't think would be kind of a star of a recipe, is really kind of punching through and mixes so well. So this is Rodney sauce, Rodney Scott's signature sauce that he uses when he cooks pork or whole hogs. And again, this is Rodney Scott's World of Barbecue, and there'll be a link for that in the playlist description if you want to check it out.